How to download Netflix on laptop. Now, if you want to download the Netflix application on laptop, you can actually find it within the Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Microsoft Store and search for Netflix, and you'll find the Netflix application here. Once you click on it, you can just click on the Get button that you'll be able to find to be able to download applications from your Microsoft Store. That is one of the simplest ways that you could possibly do it. Now, just keep in mind that this version of the application is not like the app that you have on mobile and smartphones, because they are much more compatible, but this one is very limited. It's just like a web shortcut. But regardless, since this you want to download the Netflix application, you'll be able to download the Netflix app right here. Just click on the Get button to begin the installation process, and then you can open up Netflix and start logging into your account. And this way you'll be able to download Netflix on laptop. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.